This video is a review of the Hohem iSteady Pro version 2 gimbal for your GoPro. If you have a GoPro, you already know how amazing it is, and you can make it more amazing by getting a super awesome gimbal. And when I was looking at getting a gimbal, I was trying to decide, do I get the GoPro branded gimbal? Do I get an off-brand gimbal? So I actually walked into Best Buy, money in hand, ready to buy the new GoPro gimbal. And I walked out of the store kind of defeated because when I looked at it for $300, I started doing some research because I don't like to spend my hard-earned money on something that's not going to benefit me. So when I looked at the reviews, it had really low reviews. So I looked up an off-brand one on Amazon, and I love Amazon because there's a whole bunch of reviews. You can get an idea of what people are actually saying about the product. So when I found this Hohem iSteady Pro version 2, I realized that that's the one I wanted because there was, as of right now, there's 74 reviews on there. I'm just on this one listing anyway, and it has an average rating of 4 stars. So the GoPro Karma Grip, let's see, it has an average of 3.5 stars with 68 reviews. So GoPro is a really trusted brand as far as I'm concerned with cameras and stuff, with cameras and accessories. But really, when it comes to gimbal kind of technology, I don't feel like they're really the best. I haven't personally tried the GoPro Karma one, but I feel like, just showing the footage of this one, I'll show you out as I go walking a little bit to see, to show you what the quality of it really is. So the cool thing about this gimbal is that it has these controls here on the back. So you, 2 clicks to allow tilt control, which is kind of cool if you're trying to follow a subject that's moving. Three clicks gets you a locked on mode. So what we'll do is we'll put myself in the frame here at this point, and no matter which way I turn, the camera stays pointed the direction you want it to be pointed. Now 4 clicks, and that gives you a whole different amount of control. So as you tilt it left or right, up or down, it will actually tilt with you, which is, it gives you really dynamic, interesting shots if that's what you're looking for. And then back to home is just a single click. So it has some really good functionality. It has a toggle switch, and so you can control it up, down, left, right. It has different options, so you can adjust how it handles the movement. So basically you just move your wrist, and that's how it moves. So I'll show some videos so you can kind of get an idea of how that works, so you can make a decision for yourself. But really, if you're looking for just a simple recommendation for $100 all day long, this is the one I'd recommend. Even if the GoPro Karma was $100, I would definitely spend the money on this one over the GoPro Karma. And if this helps you at all, please subscribe, like the video, share.